Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here, learning is always fun. Sentences are given in the simple present tense. Change them into present continuous tense. In our previous video, we have learnt about simple present tense where we used the first form of verb plus s or es if the subject was singular. Now, we'll change the simple present tense into present continuous tense. Here this present stands for be form of verb in the present form, which is, am and are. Here this is when the subject is singular, are when the subject is plural, and am only when the subject is I pronoun. Continuous means we'll use the ing form of the verb known as present participle form of the verb. We'll use ing in the first form of verb. So it's simple, is mr plus ing form of the verb is present continuous sentence. First sentence, Mohan writes a letter. So first we'll select the verb. The verb is writes and we have to change this writes into present continuous sentence. As Mohan is singular, so Mohan is. With Mohan we'll use the be form of verb is. Writes will be changed into writing. Now remember students, the spelling rule when changing the first form of verb into ing, if magic E is there, silent E is there, then you remove this E and write ing. So writing, writing a letter. Similarly, bake, baking, take, taking, you remove the E and add ing. To know more about this rule, watch my video on spelling rule, drop E rule. I will share the link in the description box. Number 2, dogs run on the street. First underline the verb, then subject, dogs. The subject is plural. So with plural, we use the are form of verb. So dogs are, run will be changed into add ing and run, running. Now we have used double N. Why? Because this run is a one syllabic word and after this single consonant there is a single vowel. So when it's a one syllabic word and the last consonant, before the last consonant there is a vowel sound, then you change the then you double the last consonant. Similarly, this rule, swim. When you change swim into swimming, you use double M. Swim, sit. Sit, single consonant and before consonant there is a single vowel sound. That's why when you change sit into sitting, it is double T. When you change swim into swimming, it is double M. This is again covered in my spelling rules video. 111 doubling up rule. Please do watch that video. So dogs are running on the street. Very simple. The farmer grows the crop. Now the verb is grows and the subject is the farmer, which is singular. That's why with the farmer we'll use the be form of verb, that is. The farmer is, and grow will be changed into growing, growing. This s is dropped because this is a part of simple present tense. With singular we use s or es, that's why this s is dropped, and with grow we use ing. Here we have not doubled the w because if the last consonant is w or x, u or v, we do not double the consonant, we just add ing, although before this last consonant the vowel sound is there. The farmer is growing the crop. Number 4, I lie down on my bed. The verb is lie. I, with I we use the be form of verb am. I am lying. Now we'll not use lying, lying. Whenever the verb end in ie, you change ie into y, lying. Why? Because we do not use three vowels together. If we add ing, it will be L-I-E-I-I-N-G. So, whenever the verb end in IE, you change it into Y. Similarly, die. When used dying, it is D-Y-I-N-G. So, I am lying on my bed. Number 5. Why do you quarrel with your wife? Now, this is question sentence. Question word is there. No change in question word. Why will remain why. This is helping verb in simple present tense do. Subject is you. So, with you, we use the be form of verb, that is are. That's why instead of do, we'll use are. Why are you? So, in present continuous tense, when you make the interrogative sentence, it is helping verb and then subject. And if any question word is there, then first question word, then helping verb and then subject, and then the ing form of the verb, which is quarreling. Q-U-A-R-R-E. Now again, if a verb ends in L, it is doubled. Quarreling. Like traveling, quarreling, we always double this last L. Why are you quarreling with your wife? No other changes there. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more exercises on simple present tense and present continuous tense. If you are not my subscriber, don't forget to subscribe Arjun Earning Fun to get the notification of my latest video.